Alright, so the final product of the dash install with the edited boot logo shows Honda. So one of the neat things about the ATOTO F7 and as well as other ATOTO units like the F8 is you could actually set up the boot screen. So you'll notice when you turn on the car for the first time, it actually pops up at ATOTO logo. I'll do it right now. So that's the ATOTO screen. And then gets to home screen. So it takes a little bit of time. So one of the coolest things to do is you can actually go into settings. You can go to system settings, you go date and time. And you want to change this to 2008. You want to change this to 01. And then you want to do this to 08. Trust me, it'll make sense when it happens. The other thing you want to do is actually put this to 108. And then exit the screen. So now we have this option that says boot logo settings, which wasn't there before. And then you could save changes and then restart. Just press OK. And we did not do it, but we've selected GMC. Obviously this isn't a GMC. I think we have to press cancel, but that's the cool thing about this unit is you can change it to any logo that you want. Let's go ahead and do it right. So you go to settings, go to display settings, go all the way to the bottom. Date and time. So you do that again. So 2008, you want to go to 01. And then you want to go to 08, and then you want this to be 108. As you can see, everything's good. You're going to exit the screen, and you're going to go to display settings, and boot logo should appear. Once you click on it, you're going to find the one that you want. And it has everything. Check that out. It has Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Mitsubishi, Lincoln, just to name a few, Hummer, Ford, Saab. And for this car, since I'm going with the Honda theme, you can even go Acura. Let me show you guys. You can go Acura too. You got Toyota, Mercedes, BMW, Acura right there, Dodge, and you can also go ATOTO. And it just keeps going. Corvette is the last one, but I'm gonna go with Honda, and that's pretty much it. It says save changes, and now it boots up the Honda logo. So that's pretty much the really exciting part about this unit is not just the backup camera. That's one of the main reasons why I made this tutorial, to show everyone, but you also have that Honda boot logo, and it's just really cool.